The #1 conference for affiliate marketing in terms of overall size and the quality of the speakers and the content and the connections.
They covered information that someone new to the industry would find really valuable.
It's so full of practical information and shared experience that you don't feel like you spend a lot of time here.
Had a great time connecting with the audience, had a lot of great questions. People are really looking to take their affiliate programs in different directions towards true partnerships.
You're in and you don't want to miss a second. It is the best and the fastest way to become a better manager and be more valuable, whether it's your clients or your boss. Can't recommend it enough. And in addition to all the great contact, the peer-to-peer networking is unlike any other conference. You're not competitors, you're all just lifting the industry together.
AM Days has been a success. If you are not a part of it this time, I sure hope to shake your hand at the next one.